Export to shapefile. You can export a layer to a shapefile using the feature class to feature class conversion method. We reference the currently opened ArcMap document, mx equal arcpy.mapping.map document, then get the first data frame, df equal arcpy.mapping.list data frame, mxd means the first one. Then find the layer to export. Cities lyr equal arcpy.mapping.list layers, mxd, cities, df, means the first one. Then export the cities layer to a new shapefile, for example, cities export. Using ArcPy.feature class to feature class conversion, cities lyr, the path, c output, the name of shapefile, cities underscore export dot shp. We copy the script and paste it in console. Cities export created. Set workspace. Set your workspace to the directory containing your shapefiles. arcpy.inf.workspace equal the udemy/arcpy/data. We copy it and paste it in the Python console. Basic operations. List all shapefiles in the folder. You can list all shapefiles in your folder to ensure they are correctly recognized. Use shapefiles equal arcpy.list feature classes. Print shapefiles. This is a long list of my shapefiles in the workspace directory. Selecting features. Select by attribute. Select features based on specific attribute condition. For example, selecting cities with a population greater than 1 million. We use arcpy.select analysis cities.shp, selected places. For example, new.shp greater than 1 million. Copy and paste it. Enter. We created selected places. In 4 cities, we have 3 cities in KRG in Iraq, population greater than 1 million. Select by location. Select features from rivers.shp, rivers around the world, that intersect with the states.shp in the USA. To create feature layers for the rivers and states shapefiles, arcpy.make feature layer, management, rivers.shp, rivers layer, and arcpy.make features layer management, states.shapefile, shp, states layer. Select rivers that intersect with the status, arcpy.select layer by location management, reverse layer, and comma intersect status layer. Then copy the select features to a new shapefile using ArcPy.copy features management, reverse layer, intersecting underscore reverse dot shp. Copy the script. Intersection underscore reverse new dot shp created. States layer, reverse layer, and intersection of reverse and states. Now let's edit field and update attributes. You can edit a new field to a shapefile and update it with calculated values. For example, to edit a new text field to the country shapefile, we use ArcPy.editField management, rstring mypath of country.shp, and new field with a type of text, comma, field length 50. After that, update the new field with the formatted population data. Let's firstly create a new field. Copy the script to the Python console. A new field created without a value. To update the new field with the format population data, use import ArcPy, then shp path equal rstring country.shp, fields equal fname for f in arcpy.list fields, shp path. Check if the required fields exist. If new field in fields and pop country field in fields with the arcpy.da.update cursor shp path, use the value of population of country and fill it in new field as cursor for row in cursor. If row O is not none, population in millions equal row O, first one divided by 1 million to convert numbers to millions. Format population equal dot O F millions dot format population in millions. Row 1 equal population dot format population cursor dot update row for row. Then print values updated successfully based on this field. Else print error. Pop country or new field does not exist. Let's copy the script and paste it inside the Python console. As a result, values updated successfully based on the pop country. Let's check it. Open attribute table. New field. We have values in new field. For example, for Germany, we have 81 million population. For Iraq, it is converted to 20 million population.